kay mag-skin test kami taon niya.
Schedule ako for laparoscopic para tanggalin na yung ovaries ko. So, i-check today if ovaries lang or pati uterus. Hopefully, ovaries lang. Here at the clinic now. The last time nandito ako, na-diagnose ako ng cancer. So, oh my God. Hey, ano ko na?
The myoma, it should be decreasing with menopause.
Okay.
So, there's just one myoma that's obvious.
Okay.
So, I think you should,
It's okay.
yeah, if the doctor says the recommendation is
the
just remove the
ovary.
ovaries, it's fine. Removing the ovaries is simpler, less chance of complication, faster recovery, and there are benefits to the uterus. So,
The question,
oh, sige.
if tangtangon ng ovaries, unsay mga kanang side
Risk.
same lang.
So it's like when when
What I'm
while
going
you're-
through now.
Yeah, so while you're on Zoladex, your ovaries are being suppressed, so it's going to be similar. So the hot flashes are there, sometimes mood swings, irritability. So all those things that you
Same
experience when you started Zoladex is the same.
Okay.
But usually these symptoms disappear after 4 or 5 years. Your body goes into a parang homeostasis, a balance. And of course, for the other mga symptoms like irritability, ganyan, lifestyle talaga. Lifestyle modifications, exercise, find out the things that make you
Yes, yes.
happy,
Yes.
parang ganon, ha? So,
Okay.
that's the, you've been on it anyway for
Pero
a year
kailangan
na.
nandito project, no?
Oo, dapat siya umintindi. Kailangan mo ba ang husband?
Ako siya patanawan eh.
Sige. So, all set na for tomorrow? Sige, so see you in the hospital.
Nagluto na kong sabaw.
Nagluto
para
na.
Hello! This is it, guys. This is it, Pansit. So, this is my room in Cebu Doc. Kadako, ani. Ay. Hi, kuya. Dako, ani na kwarto. Oy, overnight raman ko. Naapay. Work areas project. Thank you, Cebu Doc, for welcoming me. Okay, so I will explain yung pwede ko lang kainin. That's why nagbaon akong yogurt. Yesterday, soft diet na ako. So, nag-soft diet ako, which is lugaw, or gulay, soup, ganyan lang. Today, before the surgery, I was required liquid diet. Soup, water, plain yogurt, pwede. And gelatin. Kanina, pag-start ng 3 p.m., liquid diet na no color. Hindi na pwede yung basta-basta soup. Water na lang and yung sabaw na lang na walang kulay.
Ang lungkot, guys.
But hopefully bukas makakain ako kahit lugaw. But we'll see kung ano sabihin ni Doc. And hopefully bukas, after the surgery, makalabas na ako. Very naman yung laparoscopic. Maliit lang siya na incision. So we'll see, guys. And yeah, I'm just waiting for Paul J kasi nag-park pa siya. Welcome! Diamond sweet, oy! So, kalaki.
Wow. Okay.
Tao, napakay computer dito.
Ay, what? Kadota ko, Dre.
Work sa daw. Oh, makadota, Jud.
Very nice.
Na, lami. Lami, sir.
Mga dool kayo.
Lami oy, niya ako sa bawra. Higop sa baw. May katabing nuggets and chicken johnny. So, nasalay kit. Tumbler, utensils, chinelas, cotton balls, eco bag, measuring cup. Ang alcohol, casino, and shampoo and conditioner, towel, and hand soap. Ano yung ganito? Thermometer. Good night, guys. Time to sleep. Early tomorrow, so yeah. Good night. This is it, guys. Ihatid na ako sa uwa.
Natural na siya, ma.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Pulsa diha.
Lakaw ko. Sige, bye-bye. The operation took about siguro something nasa 2 or something. She's good now. She's in the recovery room waiting for her lang to wake up, and yeah, she's gonna come back to the room. Galimungawan ko, I was sleeping man. Doc Moravik came here, and maybe later or tomorrow we'll see her. And yeah, I forgot to take a video. So yeah, all right. She's done. Waiting for her na lang. Ano naman?
It's already 7 p.m. Di pa ako ma-discharge today because yung OB ko okay na ako i-discharge. Yung anesthesiologist hindi pa siya. Kasi baka may pain pa raw akong maramdaman. So, tomorrow morning, mag-discharge na. Bukas ko pa makikita ang boys. But I'm okay. Nakatayo na ako, naka-CR na, nakakain na. And look, busy si Sir. Malamamig na sa balay. Nakakain na ako. Majestic food. Kiwi.
2 days later.
Having breakfast, third day, ready for meeting, ready for discharge. Yay! Uwi na! Uwi namin. Nangita gani ko sa Diamonds. Basta na.
Basta Diamond.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you sa
bad.
magbisita ko.
Mana?
Na!
Going home na ron.
Going home.
Nice.
Uwi na. But di pa kami makauwi kasi iti-take out niya yung lunch ko. Fried chicken. Take out daw niya yung chicken ko. Maghuwat mi sa sudlanan kayo. Iyang dami yung tanawa, no?
Oh.
Oo. Dami uy.
Take home.
Take home, uy. Diba?
Basta ni. Kaling
Asa?
couch, buwaktang ni ron.
Dok, yung apel ni Isabel. Ay, wala kanina. Take out pa dyan siya. Salamat! Gani. Bye!
Dalawa. Gani? No.
Bye! Ayaw, hug! Wait sa! Mayayay! Hello!
Let's go.
Yes,
How are you?
Mama.
Are you okay?